Hello and welcome to another episode of Chao on Tour. This time we are on location shoot once again in northern Thailand, Chiangmai. For those that do not know, Chiangmai is a haven for coffee shops. Lots of great coffee shops here, and where we are now is just one of them. This has been featured in a few Facebook photos, and I'm really excited to be sharing with you my experience doing a review of this spectacular cafe. It is Rectangle Coffee X Tower. Let's find out what's so special about this coffee shop. We are also going to have the opportunity to talk to the owners, so join me and stay until the end of this video clip. Coffee X Tower, or it's supposed to be read as Coffee Times Tower or Coffee and Tower, because the coffee shop is located in a tower. Now the story goes that the owner was passing by and he saw this abandoned building, which is actually a water tank tower. You can see that they have transformed this place into something very aesthetically looking cafe, and when you go inside you'll see that it is that simple and yet it is very good. The taste of the coffee, we are going to find out. I like the interior. It's very minimalist, very high ceilings, unfinished raw columns, walls and floor. Really industrial looking. And of course you'll find a good quality coffee machine here. Let's look at their signature. They have the dust, the tower toast, and their signature drink is the full moon, medium roast Americano, tropical fruit syrup, and salt cream cheese. They have some snacks and they also have some food, Thai food. Look at their menu here. Okay, they have pasta, they have pork dish, chicken dish, pasta. This looks really good, spicy, and of course coffee. Sawadee-ka. In this coffee shop, they use two different beans. They use the medium light, which is fruity and orange, used for hot coffee, and the medium dark for iced coffee, which is chocolatey, caramel, and peanut. Let's go upstairs to the second floor. Okay, so there are tables here on the mezzanine, the second floor, all raw looking. Up more steps. That there, the Caramel Club, is where their kitchen is. Okay, going up. And up here they have tables as well. More people. Hello. Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka. And we're going up a little bit more. More tables here. And now we are going to the fourth floor. I hope you cannot hear me panting here. Okay, this is higher. And oops, there's more upstairs. Let's have a look here. More tables and chairs. I love the tables and the chairs. And they have their food here as well. Small kitchen. And now I think this is the final floor. And more tables and chairs. This is the view from the top. For those that do not know, Chiang Mai is up north in Thailand, is on the mountains. So this is the winter capital of Thailand and where most of the best coffee shops in Thailand are located in.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ This is Khun Poii. She is the owner of the Rectangle. So happy to be here. Can you tell us about your signature drink?
Okay, our signature drink is Full Moon, the signature. It's a medium roast coffee with a balance of grapefruit, passion fruit, and strawberry, and topped with salt cream cheese.
Wow, that sounds absolutely delicious. Do you make your own topping?
Yes, of course. Okay, I will make it for you.
Okay, let's find out. I'm so excited to try that. It looks so delicious and it sounds absolutely fantastic. I am waiting for them to make this delicious drink. So she's going to mix them all here. So excited.
It's Americano นะคะ
This is Americano.
Top cream cheese.
And they top it with cream cheese. Wow, the cream cheese looks really good.
Yeah,
Very creamy and very thick.
it's not sweet.
Wow.
And top.
It's all in the decoration too. Wow, strawberry, blackberry. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. I would like to try the Americano first. So use a straw. That is really refreshing. Very fresh. I like it. Wow. I'm just going to take the cheese now. Oh my.
It's better if you breathe together.
Yeah, okay, but the cheese is very, very thick. It's hard to get down there. Okay, I'll try it again. So you get that creamy cheese and then that taste of tropical fruit with the strong coffee. How many shots of coffee?
Double shot.
Double shot, wow. I would strongly recommend this. I also would like to try their Americano. So thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Wow. Let's look at that. The first step is the sour taste. Not bad. I like it. If ever you come to Chiang Mai, don't forget to come and visit the Rectangle Coffee and X Tower. Thank you so much, Khun Poii. Thank you for your time. We had lunch here and the food is absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.